Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to start a new topic, increasing and decreasing function. In this section, we will use differentiation to find out whether the given function is increasing or decreasing or none. For the illustration of this topic, I am taking a function f of x equal to x square. This is a parabolic function. Here x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number. This is the graph of parabolic function. As you can see that here we have two tables. One table is values left to the origin and another table for values right to origin. Children, when we say that the given function is increasing and when we say that the given function is decreasing, in which interval when we say that the given function is increasing and in which interval when we say that the given function is decreasing. Here we have a two table. In this table, the value of x, all these values are lies toward left side of the origin. Here the value of x is less than 0, and in this table the value of x is greater than 0. So as we move from left to right, we can see that the height of the graph is decreases toward the left side of the origin. If the value of x is equal to -2, the value of f of x equal to 4, because the value of f of x equal to x square. If x equal to -2, then the value of f of x equal to what? Then the value of f of x equal to 4. The value of x equal to -3/2, then the value of f of x will be 9/4. Here the value of x is increasing. But the value of f of x is continuously decreasing. Here the value of x is -2. The value of x equal to -2 is less than 0. The value of x equal to -1 is less than 0. The value of x is from left to right. Here the value of x equal to -2. Then the height of the graph is 4. But for x equal to -3/2, the height of the graph will be 9/4. 9/4 lies between -2 and 1. Here the height of the graph is decreasing. Here the height of the graph is 4, but here the height of the graph is 9/4. It means here, as you can see here, the height of the graph is continuously decreasing. It means if the value of x is less than 0, then we say that in this interval from left to right, the function is decreasing. But toward the right side of the origin, as we move from left to right, toward the right side of the 0, as we move left to right, then the value of x, here the value of x is 0, half, 1, 3/2, 2. The value of x is greater than 0. Here the value of x is increasing, as well as the value of y. It means the value of f of x is also increasing. It means we can say that if the value of x is greater than 0, in this interval the function is continuously increasing. Here if the value of x equal to 0, the value of f of x equal to 0. The value of x equal to half, the value of f of x equal to 1/4. 1/4 it will lie is here. If the value of x equal to 1, the value of f of x is also 1. Here the height of the graph is continuously increasing. If the value of x equal to 3 by 2, the height of the graph will be 9 by 4. Will be 9 by 4. And if the value of x equal to 2, the height of the graph, the value of f of x is equal to 4. Here you can see that the height of the graph is continuously increasing. It means if the value of x is greater than 0, if the value of x is greater than 0, the function is increasing. The function is increasing. But if the value of x is less than 0, as we move from left to right toward the left side of the origin, here the value of x is increasing, but the value of f of x, the height of the graph, is continuously decreasing. It means in this interval the function is decreasing. The function is decreasing during this interval. And in this section the function is increasing. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you so much.